Friends, these days savings account is not just a simple savings account. It has become a lot more than a savings account. So while selling our savings account product to customers, we have to be extremely careful what we talk about, and we have to be cognizant of the fact that savings account has got lot many features, lot many things that we should talk to the customer about, and therefore convince the customer to come to us. We just focus on the transactional aspect of the savings account, that you get a checkbook, you get a debit card, etc., without explaining in detail what all benefits a customer can have by opening a savings account with us. And believe me, 90% of the customers are not even aware what kind of benefits do they get in their existing savings account. So my belief is that if we are able to explain it properly to the customer, most of the customers will be willing to open an account with us. So let's look at what all benefits customers get while opening a savings account these days. So these are the four kind of benefits primarily: ease of transaction, more liquidity, debit card related benefits, and cross product benefits. So now let's look at each one of them in slightly more detail. Ease. Ease of operations. The banks have focused a lot on making the transactional aspects very easy for customers. So you have mobile banking and internet banking. All of you must have heard about it. And these are the focus areas for the bank. So what mobile and internet banking has done is given the power in the hand of the customers. They can operate the account 24 hours now, even on a holiday, from wherever they want. Now they can do any kind of transactions. So be it a fund transfer, be it an FD creation, uh, anything that they want to do with an account. In terms of transaction, in fact, more than 100 type of transactions can be done in mobile banking. And similarly, services for which they had to go to a branch earlier, for example, breaking of an FD or requesting for a checkbook, such things can also be done on the mobile banking and net banking. Similarly, for making bill payments like electricity bill, telephone bill, mobile bill, insurance premium, etc., all these facilities are available. You don't have to go and stand in a queue to make any payments these days, or write a check even for that. Just on a click of a button, you can make all these payments. So it has made the life so easy for the customers. Then few banks are offering now facilities to connect with a banker on mobile banking. So you can talk to your banker. Even there are video phone facilities available. Although all the banks are not offering as of now, but in future I expect many more banks to come up with such kind of facilities for their customers. And also whatever offers are there for you as an individual customer, banks are now doing a lot of data analytics and creating specialized offer for all their customers. So one can check the kind of offers bank has given for oneself using these platforms. So it has really made it very easy, 24/7. Even on a holiday, sitting in your home, you can do banking, and all kind of things that is required to be done on banking can be done from here. Then look at liquidity. Liquidity means how easily can you access your money and how much. So there are three factors here. One is the ATM. Now ATMs are, you can see, everywhere. As per the guideline, you can use any bank's ATM for transactions. Although only a few number of transactions are free, more number of transactions are chargeable, but still the facility is there that you can access and withdraw money anytime, any day. Similarly, there is a concept called sweep in, sweep out, because many people do not want to keep a large sum in savings account because savings account gives lower rate of interest than a fixed deposit. So there is a facility provided by a few banks that automatically above a certain amount, the deposit gets created, the fixed deposit, and it's linked to the savings account. So whenever there is a requirement in the savings account, it pulls back the money from fixed deposits and fulfill the requirement. So although your money is a kind of a fixed deposit, but it's as liquid as a savings account. So great facility given by some banks here. And overdraft. So it's slightly different than sweep in, sweep out. In sweep in, sweep out, what happens that when you require money, the FD gets broken and then money gets transferred to savings account. In overdraft, you create a separate FD and take a limit. Typically a 75% overdraft limit on the fixed deposit is given, which is linked to your savings account. So whenever some customer wants to use money, he can use using this overdraft over and above the balances in the savings account. And when there is excess fund, then he can keep in the account, and then overdraft limit gets reduced, and one pays interest only for the period for which overdraft is used. At the same time, the FD continues. So savings account is like a lot more than what otherwise you use your own money. You can get a lot more liquidity in savings account these days. Then there are multiple debit card variants available in the market. So there are standalone, standard debit card, and there are premium variants like platinum debit card, etc., which gives a lot of benefits to customers, such as very high withdrawal limits from ATM, as high as maybe a lakh or 2 lakh per day, then high POS limit, high transaction limit at shops or online transactions. Similarly, free transactions, even unlimited number of free transactions at any bank's ATM. Free accidental death insurance coverage in case of a sad demise of the card holder. So that accidental death insurance coverage is also there. Then there are reward points on uses of card at for shopping, and cashback facilities. So there are like many times cashback facilities like you would see on e-commerce sites like Amazon and Flipkart that use X Bank's debit card, and you will get 5% or 10% cashback. Similarly, on Book My Show for booking movie tickets, etc., you get such facilities. There is a purchase protection given. Sometimes if you buy something using the debit card, you get certain protection against a bad product, etc. And time to time, banks also run special discounts and offers on dinner or shopping, etc. So debit card itself is a very powerful tool, and which is in any case linked with the savings account. So you can get these benefits only if you're opening a savings account with the bank. And last but not the least is the cross product benefits. So typically savings account is the entry point for a bank for relationship with the customer. And once savings account is opened, then banks evaluate customers' credit profile, customers' other profiles, and accordingly gives offers to customers. So pre-approved loan facility is one very popular thing these days. Once you open an account and maintain balance for some period of time, bank will start giving you pre-approved loan, and that means at a click of a button you can get a loan credited to your account, and with a discount, better rate of interest, better processing fee. Similarly, fee waivers on other bank products like demat account, share trading account, forex cards, lockers, etc. are available. So a point which I'm trying to make here is that you have to be very particular about what all benefits the savings account offers to customer. Most of the customers are not aware what kind of benefits their existing savings accounts give them. And therefore, it's very important for us to go and tell the customer when we are pitching about our program, we should tell the customer about all the benefits which I just discussed about right now related to the savings account, and convince the customer to use this benefit. If we talk about all these things, I'm very sure 99 to 100% of the customer would be willing to open bank account with you. The preparation that you have to do is to prepare in detail about what all benefits are available in your bank savings account. All variants you should know, the normal variant and the high-end variant, and to the right customer give the right variant. If you're able to do that, your strike rate will be very high and you will be very successful. Thank you and happy selling.